Hey, Tia.
Your friends didn't stay?
Oh, no. They were just talking about how much fun they had today pulling Ken's leg.
Ken? Isn't he the new boy who joined school?
Yes. The smallest amongst all. Everybody is taller than him, so it is easy to pick on him.
Just like the ant, is it?
The ant?
Yes. The Elephant and the Ant. Once upon a time, there lived a huge elephant in a jungle. Because he was so much bigger than all the other animals, he always troubled them. In the same jungle, there lived a family of ants. They were a hard-working family who always kept to themselves. In the day, they would go to gather food. One day, as they were going, the big, mean elephant threw water on them.
Hey, what's the matter with you? Why do you keep troubling others?
Oh, shut up, you tiny ant. One more word out of you, and I will walk all over you and kill you.
The little ant had no choice. It kept quiet and went on its way.
You shouldn't pick a fight with the elephant. He is very ill-tempered and very, very strong. He could crush you. Something needs to be done about it.
The next day, when the ants were going to work, the tiny ant decided to teach the elephant a lesson. She quietly climbed onto the elephant and made its way to the elephant's trunk and entered it. Once inside, she started biting the elephant.
Oh, that hurts.
The elephant tried everything, but it couldn't get the ant to stop biting him or come out of its trunk. Such a big elephant became useless in front of the tiny ant.
Please stop! Stop it now!
Well, I hope now you know how others feel when you hurt them.
Yes, I do. Please stop now.
Very well then.
And so the ant stopped biting the elephant and came out of its trunk.
I am sorry. I have understood how bad I made others feel. I promise I will never ever do it again.
Oh, what, Tofu?
I understand what we were doing wrong.
You do?
Yes, we shouldn't make fun of Ken just because he's smaller than us all.
I'm glad you realized that, Tofu.
Yes, and I am going to apologize to Ken the first thing tomorrow and get others to do the same too.